What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Happy to have you on here. So today we're going to be discovering Murmur. And so what is Murmur? Murmur is basically an audio recorder which is powered by AI in order to summarize your meeting. So it's an AI powered offline speech to text tool designed with privacy first in mind and powered by NVIDIA Parakit. And so the aim of this tool is to help you record your meetings and make short summaries of those meetings so that you can as well after on maybe produce a report or be able to summarize what was said during the meeting. You can have a meeting that goes for several hours and you can't really remember everything afterwards. And so this tool is going to allow you to record the entire meeting and be able to produce summaries from it. So it's a very useful tool and it has an incredible feature. It's privacy first. And so it's not just privacy first, but it's equally totally offline. So you don't need to send your scripts online for it to be processed or anything. It can be done totally offline. Personally, I doubt a little bit how efficient this offline tool is going to be, especially since it's said to be AI powered. And so, AI powered requires language models and all. So I doubt how efficient it's going to be just offline, if at all it's offline fully. And so yeah, we can see the different installations that come with it. You have for Mac OS, for Windows, and so on and so forth. And so when I try to download one, we're just going to check out the size, try to see how big it is. So as you can see, it's over 482 megabytes of downloads. So from what I can see, and so this is possible for it to host an LLM in there, which can process that data. So it's not impossible that this might be totally offline. And so yes, this is a very interesting tool. You can record your meetings, and it's also powered by, it uses your graphic card as well to do this. So it's really possible. So you can see the main features. It's built for people who value privacy, and so privacy advocate, developer friendly, medical professional, journalists, and many more can use this tool as well. So you can go ahead and check it out at murmur.app and you can make use of it. You can connect your LLM to it so that you can use your offline LLMs as well. Smart formatting rules, voice mode to control it with your voice, and you can import and export and back up your configurations seamlessly. And so this is a very interesting tool. I'm sure was developed by a solo developer, an indie developer, and so it really addresses the problem of recording meetings and having them on your computer. So there are other tools as well which work in a similar manner, but for the most part they require you sending your data online so that it can be processed online and returned to you. So I really appreciate this tool and this main feature of privacy where you can have your data fully offline, and it's really easy to just check. You can just maybe disconnect your computer and see if it still works as well, so you can make sure the offline feature really does work. And you can equally block the app from accessing the internet to really ensure that none of your data leaves your computer. So it's a very interesting tool, and I'm sure many people are going to make use of it. So definitely check it out if you are the type to be in meetings for very long hours where you have to record, where you have to note a lot of things down. This tool can really help you make a summary of all that. So definitely check it out and let me know what you think. I hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.